Welcome CRM crew, my name is Nick and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to connect your email to Zoho CRM. So once you log into Zoho CRM, of course you'll come to the home screen. Now in order to connect your email address or your email to Zoho CRM, all you need to do is go to the cog in the top right hand corner, but do ensure you have administrative permissions. So press the cog and then from here we want to go to channels, and then underneath channels we want to go to email. So press email, and then as you can see here we have immediately come to the email configuration tab, and this allows us to configure our email and connect it with Zoho CRM. So from here what we need to do is press the get started button. Once you've done that, choose your email service provider. So we've got the standard few here: Gmail, Yahoo, Office. If it's another email type, just press other mail, but in this instance I'm going to be using Gmail. So then press Gmail, and then you need to select whether you'd like IMAP, POP or API. Now as you can see here, the preferred and recommended approach is using IMAP. I would suggest do the same. So I'm just going to select IMAP, and then Zoho has opened a pop-up window here. And as you can see here, we now need to sign in to our Google account and associate our Google account or your email address with Zoho CRM. So I'm going to do info@CRM crew. Thank you, Apple, for that. And then again, I'm just going to put in the password, press next again. And then as you can see here, we need to enable or grant Zoho CRM access to our email address. So just need to press allow. And then as you can see here, the email address has now been loaded onto our Zoho CRM system. You can select your email sharing permissions. Obviously, it's probably best keep it private, but if it's, let's say, as an example, info@, then you might want to make that public with everyone inside of the Zoho CRM system. Press the save button. And then as you can see here, our email has now been connected to Zoho, and we can send emails directly out of Zoho CRM from our email address, and we can manage them inside of our Zoho CRM system. And that is how to connect your email inside of Zoho CRM. I hope this video has clearly explained how to connect your email to Zoho CRM. If you do have any further questions, please drop me an email. My details are in the description below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.